Stars and stripes are waving on this clear July night. Grilling out with our loved ones, everything feels so right. Children running barefoot, there's laughing in the air. We bow our heads to pray, feeling blessed beyond compare. Mama's in the kitchen, baking her famous pie. Daddy's telling stories about our forefathers' fight. The sky starts turning colors as the sun dips low. We hold on to each other, let our love for Jesus show. Hallelujah, let the fireworks light the sky. Thank the Lord for freedom, let our spirits fly. Together in His glory, on this 4th of July, celebrating Jesus under stars, the sky so high. In pickup trucks and lawn chairs, we gather by the creek. Guitar strings start strumming, voices soft and sweet. Songs of faith and freedom echo through the pines. We lift our hearts to heaven, hands and voices intertwine. In pickup trucks and lawn chairs, we gather by the creek. Guitar strings start strumming, voices soft and sweet. Songs of faith and freedom echo through the pines. We lift our hearts to heaven, hands and voices intertwine. Fireflies